Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharkoon AK6 RGB and MK6 RGB case series. So friends, Sharkoon has announced the eye-catching ATX case not only puts the focus on the hardware but also on a good airflow, and this is thanks to 4 pre-installed addressable RGB fans along with the specially designed intake of air through a side panel. And in addition, AK6 RGB is equipped with modern connectivity with BTF mainboard connectivity and plenty of space for components. And special highlight of AK6 RGB is modern look of tempered glass which form a continuous window around the front and side view of the case. And for an ideal airflow, the AK6 RGB comes with 4 pre-installed addressable 120 mm RGB LED PWM fans and thereof which have reserved airflow to draw air into the case through the side panel. And for even more airflow, there is enough room for up to 9 fans. And if you prefer water cooling, for AK6 RGB, a 360 mm radiator can be simultaneously operated with another radiator of up to 280 mm. And in addition to conventional Mini-ITX, micro-ATX and ATX motherboard, and the AK6 RGB is compatible with almost all BTF format on the market. On the left side, the AK6 RGB, a TRRS port and USB-C port also available, allowing up-to-date connectivity with a wide range of mobile and peripheral devices. In addition, a controller provides the connection and operational of up to 4 LED components and 4 PWM fans. And the AK6 RGB can accommodate large graphics card up to 41 cm, while mounting support is provided by rubberized graphics card holder. And CPU cooler with a height of 17 cm will find room in the case, and as well as power supply unit length up to 23.5 cm. And there is an installation space for up to 2 3.5-inch HDD and for 2.5-inch SSDs. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.